Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Dave. I'm a part-time reseller, full-time nurse, father, husband. Cooped up in the state of Michigan. We do have some of the stay-at-home orders relaxed, so I've just been itching to get out there. I did go to one flea market, and that's in a previous video, but then we also have businesses opening up slowly, 10 at a time as far as customers, and you have to make an appointment for some businesses. I went to Goodwill on Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. I went to Goodwill's website. I picked my local Goodwill. I made an appointment for me, Mrs. Midwest, and Little Midwest. And so we went on Tuesday, and it could be up to 10. There was only 4 people in the store, and 3 of them were my family. So we basically had the run of the store. And I made some really great buys, and I'm going to share those with you right now. Like I said, if you're new to this channel or you're new to reselling, I help people know what to source, how to list, how to photograph, how to research. All of those links are down below in how-to videos that I've created. And I do a lot of what sold videos. My sales have gone crazy. My sales are just up, up, up. So I'm overdue for a what sold on eBay video. That's coming out soon. But I wanted to show you what I sourced. I'm going to talk about what I paid for it, what I'm going to list it for, possibly how I'm going to ship it. It all depends. And then I already told you where I got it at Goodwill. I typically like to source flea markets, garage sales, auctions. Those are much more fun. But anyways, let's get into it. So the first few items are these flags. I'm not sure if you bring these to games or you hang them in your garage or what, but this is premium brand. This is Miami Hurricane. Yeah, Miami Hurricanes. These are brand new in the package. These are Michigan State with the pink breast cancer awareness ribbon. Got 2 of those. I paid, I don't know if the tag, no, I paid $4 a piece for these. These are already up on my eBay store. The Miami Hurricanes flag I listed for $15.95. In the Michigan State flags I listed for $25.95. The reason they're different is because of the comparables or the comps. Other people have these on their eBay listings too. They're brand new in the package, and the prices vary. The Miami Hurricanes one, I've seen some for $10, $9, $13. The Michigan State one seems to be more expensive. Other people have it listed higher, so I listed mine higher too. And some of the items I sourced, some of the items I sourced are not super valuable. I just thought it was kind of cool. This item I paid, I think, $1. This is a automatic water shutoff valve. The only reason I bought it is because it's still new in the package. Comps on this are between $5 and $17. I'm going to list it for $15.95 plus first class shipping on top. This is a hat. I thought it'd be worth more. This is Florida State Seminoles, if you can see that there. 2013 championship. It's a Nike hat. It's used, but it's in excellent condition. There's no damage or soiling or anything, and it was 99 cents. That's the reason I picked it up. Some hats go for a lot of money. I didn't look this one up. I just figured it's Nike. It's in really good condition, so I just grabbed it. So like I said, I paid 99 cents for it, so I already listed it for $12.95 plus shipping on top. This next one is an ashtray. Again, it was only 99 cents. It's let's see here. Pro Football Hall of Fame. It's vintagey, smoked colored, amber brown. It's pretty clean. There's no damage anywhere on it. Very few comps. I had to go to Terapeak and go back a year, and I found one similar for $9.95. So I'm just going to list it for $9.95 plus first class shipping on top. Next item is an unusual item, but it's still in the box. I don't think it's new in the box, but it's still in the box. This is Sabrent. I don't know if I'm saying that right. USB powered floppy drive. Looks like this. Still got the sticker. I paid $5 for it. If you're old enough to remember computers back in the day, they had a 3.5 inch floppy drive, a disk drive. That's what this is. So if you still have discs that you want to use, I guess, but comps on this one are $24 to $31. So I'm going to list it for $25.95 plus shipping on top. This next one's a little bigger, and I thought it'd be worth more, but it's not. I paid up for it, so this is probably the only real dud, if there is a dud. Paid $6 for this. It is a digital color slide converter, so you convert your color slides into digital files. It's still in the box. I would say new open box. When I opened it up, it was still wrapped in all the plastic. It doesn't look used at all. Like I said, I paid $6 for it. The comps on these are crazy, from $10 to $50. They're just all over the place. So I'm going to list this for $35.95 plus shipping on top. If there's comparable ones for a lot less than that, I'll probably have to take a best offer. So maybe it's not a dud, but paying $6 for a gamble, typically I don't do that. So I saved my best two for last. These are almost like 2 home runs. This is a GPX CRT black and white television. It's got the telescoping antenna, AM/FM radio. It's got the power cord and the charger for the automobile. Sorry about the lighting there. This one I paid $10 for. The reason I paid $10 for this is because it's new in the box. This TV is still wrapped in the original plastic. The owner's manual, the car charger, all of that is still sealed in the package. The lid does open, so I'll probably describe this as new open box, but this is basically a brand new, new old stock TV. Now you might be asking, why would anybody want an analog black and white TV? There are a lot of people that buy these to both play vintage video games or to test vintage video games that they want to sell. So if you have a Super Nintendo, a Nintendo, a Sega Genesis, any old system, you can easily plug this in. It has the AV plugs for video and sound in, so you can play your old video games on this, or you can just have this on your workbench or your shipping table, and you can test video game systems with it. Of course, the AM/FM radio still works. As far as the TV signal, don't know about that. You might have to get a digital antenna converter, maybe. I don't know. I don't think anybody's going to go through the trouble to get a digital to analog antenna converter so they can watch television. I think most people buy these for vintage video game systems. So I'm going to list this one for $75.95 plus shipping on top, with offers turned on right away from the beginning because it's unusual and it's niche-y. Who knows, a sniper might try to buy it from me. I don't know, but it should sell pretty good. These do sell old CRT TVs. The cool thing about this is that it's still new in the package. It's not used. This last one is unusual. So when we were at Goodwill, Mrs. Midwest and Little Midwest were in the women's clothing section. And on the end caps, if you've been to a Goodwill, they have a lot of clothing accessories like belts and gloves and all kinds of stuff. So I looked at the belts. I always look at belts to see if there's any genuine leather belts or really nice ones. Sometimes they'll get mixed in. Most belts today that you buy are not usually genuine leather. They're pretty cheap knockoffs, $9, $10, and then they only last about 6 months to a year. So when I saw this, I grabbed it and I picked it up and I thought, wow, that's really heavy. It's really durable. I flipped it over and it's a genuine leather, size 38. I didn't really catch what it was until the angle of the light hit it just right, which I doubt is going to show up on camera. Maybe it'll show up on camera. I'll try. There we go. You can see that. It's Arctic Cat. It's barely noticeable on the outside of the belt. And then the buckle is chrome-plated steel, and it looks like that. That'll make a good thumbnail, too. Maybe. We'll see. So, I knew it was a good belt, and I had no idea what the price was. They had these little color-coded plastic tags sticking off the hats and the belts, so I quickly looked it up on eBay. There's only one on eBay. It's extremely rare, semi-vintage-y. The one that is on eBay is $189.95. That's the asking price. There are no solds whatsoever. I bought it, of course. The price was 99 cents. So I got home and I did research. I went on Google. I went to Arctic Cat's website. And again, if you're from a cold weather state, you're familiar with snowmobiles. If you're from Alaska or Canada, they call them snow machines. But there's many different brands of snowmobiles, and Arctic Cat is one brand. It's not often that they sell things like this, like a black leather belt with this big chrome buckle. I don't know where this came from. I can't find anything on Google anywhere. I have no idea. So to undercut the one competition, I already listed this on my eBay store for $159.95 with best offers turned on. So my offers automatically decline anything below $100, and I'm not going to tell you what it's going to accept. So there is an upper lower limit. So there is an upper limit. If I get an offer, it's an automatic sale. I have no idea why these are so valuable or why the one on eBay is so high. I have no clue, but it was 99 cents. Hopefully I sell it for $159.95. That'll probably be my biggest flip. I did flip an action figure from $4 into $135 in a fishing reel from $20 to $145. I've never flipped anything from 99 cents to $159. That would be my biggest flip ever. So that's the video, guys. That was my Goodwill score. Don't know when I'll be back. That's kind of a slow opening in my state. I haven't made any new appointments to go there. I'm just looking forward to flea markets and garage sales and all that starting up. So put down in the comments if you think any of my prices are too high or too low. Do you know anything about this belt? Was it a contest giveaway prize? I have no idea. If you have any knowledge on this Arctic Cat accessory, this belt, which is really cool, let me know. Especially if you're a snowmobile aficionado, you might know something that I don't. So give the video a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. Put your questions down in the comments and follow me on Instagram. If you go to MidwestPicker.com, you can follow me on Instagram. You'll see instant bolos or be on the lookout. Anytime I sell anything, it goes right on Instagram. You don't have to wait a whole week to see a video. I sold 3 things today, and I still haven't put them up on Instagram yet. That's how busy I've been. So working full-time, doing this part-time, it is crazy. Sales are just booming. Maybe it's because of Enaman right there. I have no idea. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.